guys, Simply Colie here, and today we're going to be doing our Ipsy unboxing or unbagging. Yay! So here we have our bag. It is pinkalicious. So let's go ahead and get on into it and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is the bag, and it is actually a lot smaller than I think they normally are, but it's really cute. It's really dark blue, has some black hearts, and the zipper is gold, which I am super into. I think the bag is adorable. And the other thing that didn't fit in the bag is this sheet mask, which is Timeless Beauty Bar Up in the Clouds sheet mask. It looks super cute, and I mean, it's gold around the edges, which is fun. I always like that kind of a thing. So let us see. I love getting sheet masks because I feel like they're too expensive for me to buy by myself, but I like getting them. So the next thing we will open is this container, which is freaking adorable, but look how tiny it is. What is it? I like the little bow on it. It says extraordinary translucent powder. Oh my god, this is a Are you kidding me with this? Are you kidding me with this? This is a translucent powder. What am I supposed to do with that? Like, it's so tiny, and I've never even heard of this brand. Okay. I've never gotten something so small. I mean, the package is cute, but like, I've literally never gotten something so small from Ipsy. I'm kind of disappointed. Well, the next thing is a container, a nail lacquer Proud Coat, which I have to say is probably a good thing because if you've seen the state of my nails, yikes, they are so bad. And this package is cute. So, ooh, look how pretty. Inara Cosmo Beauty. And it is a really pretty pink color, and the top is like a rose gold. I think that is really adorable. Everything has this like kind of a cool color pink theme, which I think I am loving. And the next thing is from Blush Crush. This is Zayn from Lottie London. It's a blush, I'm going to assume. The box is big, but look inside, it's tiny. But the actual size of it is not that small. So it's got a little container here. Let's open it. So there is the blush, and that's actually a really, really pretty color. Wow. I feel like that could go wrong in like any second. It is so pink. That could go wrong really, really fast. So I'll try it out, see how it goes. Let's see, the next thing in here is from Huda Beauty. It is a insane color of lipstick, if that side has anything to say. Mystical. It looks metallic pink or purple, but the card is all about emojis and things. I don't know why they even put these in here. These cards are ridiculous in my opinion. But let's look at this lip gloss. I mean, the packaging is cool, holographic, am I right? So it's a metallic, strobing metallic lip gloss. Volumizing gleam, sculpting shimmer, comfortable wear. Now, I don't know about this color. Everything is pink, which is kind of fun. Smells okay. But oh boy, when would anyone wear this? When would you wear a color like that? Like, the only time I could think of is like Halloween, because it's not just, it's got like multicolored sparkles in it. Dude, I don't know. The bag is cute, and the inside is pink. So everything kind of has a pink and gold theme, which is interesting. And dude, this bag is not my favorite. I don't know if I really like anything in this bag. It is kind of tragic. The bag is tragic. So let's see how things work. I will post an update at the end of the month if I used any of it or liked it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would mean so much to me. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!